It's been a month since it happened. Uncle Will got super mad at me. He hurt me. It was the worst I've ever been hurt. I got very melty and cold, too. Marionette came to help me. I looked like a gray puddle of paint or something. My daddy said that's what sprites look like when they die, like paint. He said that after they die, they go to heaven to meet God and all the dead people. But no one knows for sure because dead people don't speak. I don't know if I'm dead. I look like Marionette now. Last week, Daddy took me to the room where they work on all the animatronics. I didn't speak. Maybe this is what always happens. Dead people don't speak. Maybe they aren't allowed to? He put me back in the present box. Marionette is supposed to stay here. He has a job, too. He counts tickets. I'm not good at it. I mess up a lot. Ugh. I don't want to mess up. I don't want to break the rules. I want to talk to Elizabeth. I want to eat pizza. I want to go to sleep. I want to go home. I can't. Bonnie and Fredbear are done being updated today. Hello! My name is Spring Bee Bunny. The B stands for Bonnabelle, but my friends call me Bonnie. It's nice to meet you. What's your name? Marionette. Sorry, I can't hear you. What? Marionette. Marionette? Is that your first and last name, or is it just one word? Are you going to answer? I'm going to assume that your first name is Mary and your last name is Net. One word. Oh, okay. What's your last name then? Hello? Do you want to be friends?